This brand is likely doing over $2 million every single month, and it's in one of the most brilliant market opportunities right now in the entire e-commerce space. So what I want to do in this video is break it down for you step by step, dissect it as deeply as I can in a concise manner to learn as much as we can about it and how we can actually grow our own stores. So we're going to go through their marketing, their landing page, and more. First and foremost, the brand is called Dog is Human, and I'm estimating their revenue based on their traffic. So they're getting 500,000 monthly visitors right now, just primarily from the US. And from my experience, I run an agency where we spend a lot of money for a lot of e-commerce brands. Not a lot, actually. We only have a handful of clients. But also, I started a brand this year with my partner that we plan to take to $1 million a month this year. That's our big goal. And as you see, we are well on our way. In fact, we're recruiting editors, we're recruiting creators, and that's why I want to mention it. I want to get the most talented people from my audience to work with us on this. But that's how I know that from 500,000 monthly visitors, they're doing at least 2 million a month. It's likely much more than that because they've been stacking subscribers for a very long time. And that is one of the keys to their success, right? One of the keys to how they're able to scale very quickly is because they're acquiring subscribers. So that's the default option for their supplement. And what is the supplement? Well, it's a daily multivitamin for dogs. And they actually trademarked this specific formula, which I find to be extremely smart, actually. I think it's really smart to do that because it gives you, of course, a moat, but also it kind of gives you a bit of trust. You know, if you're going out of your way to basically trademark a formula, it's likely something that works, right? Something that you spent a lot of time doing. So definitely something I'm keeping in mind for our product. Yeah, and as you see, it's actually quite a simple landing page. It doesn't really have to go too overboard. It's beautiful, and it's really simple. It just gives you all the core benefits. So core benefits for long-term health, skin and coat, hip and joint digestion. I love these styles of landing pages. This is really good for you to keep in mind for your Shopify store. I find in our community, a lot of people do this wrong. They have super text heavy descriptions because they just copy paste what ChatGPT gives them. But the reality is that people don't want to read that. Like, make it as simple to read as possible. Look at this. There's like no long sentences in this entire page, and that's intentional. They're doing that because they understand that people are not going to read that stuff, and people just skim over the headlines. Then they got an FAQ, some reviews, all pretty standard stuff for a Shopify store. Now, where it gets interesting is their marketing, right? So this is the backbone of the business, and this is one of the most competitive markets out there, for our brand as well. We're in one of the most competitive markets in the world too, but we figured out a wedge that I think is going to take us to, potentially, who knows, right? I want to get it as big as possible. But these guys figured out something interesting too, which is meta ads and TikTok. So meta ads and TikTok are just an incredible combination, right? A traffic combination that many people undervalue. People either run meta or they're just super active on organic with TikTok and don't want to do meta. That's what I've found so far with a lot of the brands that we've worked with in the past. But the reality is that they both feed each other hand in hand. And here's why. First of all, if we take a look at their top ads here, we can see 2 of their top ads are actually videos, right? And they are not just any videos. They're pretty much what I'd consider TikTok style videos. They're 9:16. It literally uses a TikTok font. So this is probably a video that was made on TikTok. Let's watch it super quick and I'll dissect it with all my direct response marketing knowledge. So this is the hook. So I'm here to tell you if your dog's skin looks like this. Okay.
So I'm here to tell you if your dog's skin looks like this, and they're constantly doing things like this or this. Sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but it's not normal. My dog was doing a lot of all of those things, especially after spending a lot of time outside. But being outside is quite possibly her favorite thing on the planet. She loves.
That's such a good hook, and it's actually a very popular hook amongst the best advertisers in the world. We're using a very similar hook as well, and it's basically just saying like, this, if you experience this and this and this, that's not normal. So that instantly makes you, first of all, it calls out the problem. So problem aware audiences are going to go engage with this, but then telling you that it's not normal, people probably already know that it's not normal, but you're kind of like validating that. And then they're intrigued and they want to know why it's not normal and what is the solution,
sprinting
right?
around, bird watching, rolling in the grass. And I was so torn because I wasn't going to take away the thing that she loves the most, but it was so hard seeing her so uncomfortable. We tried changing her food, supplementing with different whole foods, and just weren't getting results until we started giving her the Dog is Human daily multivitamin. It's a daily multivitamin that supports skin, coat, digestion, overall health. It has wild Alaskan salmon oil for skin and coat, probiotics for gut health, vitamins A, B, E, the list goes on. And my quirky, goofy, silly dog is back to being herself with just as much outdoor time and without all the itching and discomfort. So I'm here to tell you.
Wow, such a good video, so concise. And also keep in mind like how she was doing the voiceover. It was so sharp, right? The sentences basically have no spaces between them. And that's actually a very popular TikTok style. And this is again where I think the most powerful strategy is to do a lot on TikTok and do as much as you can on Meta. The combination is seriously incredibly powerful. Like I said, I actually think this brand is doing 9 figures a year, but I'm just going to estimate it on the lower end because I don't want to get in trouble. I mean, I don't think I can get in trouble for that, but I'd rather stay safe than sorry, right? So the other thing that's really interesting is their top ads. So by the way, this is sorted by highest impression. Are 2 static ads, right? It's 2 static ads that basically are the same. They're targeting problem-aware audiences, right? Yeasty ears finally going away. So people that know that their dogs have yeasty ears. And then also it has a special deal offer right here this week only, even though these were launched, like 3 weeks ago. So even brands at this caliber, right, that are actually even venture backed. So these guys raised a pre-seed in 2022 for $1.2 million. That's a lot of money. And pre-seed, that means they didn't even have an idea, or they had an idea, but they didn't have a product or, any customers potentially. Doesn't necessarily mean that actually, but I'm pretty sure that it was basically from zero, right? Even brands at this caliber, you can see like they're just getting more and more and more clout. And they're still being very aggressive with their meta ads. So, I think that's a really good example of how the top most competitive brands in the world, just how like scrappy they can be even with funding. So don't be afraid to do stuff like that, right? Like to have special offers, just calling out your offers, calling out problems. Obviously don't make insane claims that could get you in trouble. You do whatever you want, right? Like put yourself at whatever risk you are willing to put yourself in. But yeah, just know that these categories are extremely competitive and you got to be scrappy. You got to be studying stuff like this, just like what I'm doing. Let's take a look at this one and then we'll move into the next phase of the research process here.
Golden Retriever used to live with chronic ear infection.
Okay.
So
that's a good hook. My Golden Retriever used to live with chronic ear infection.
Golden Retriever used to live with chronic ear infections. His yeast problems were so bad that our kitchen counter literally looked like a vet's office. And if I could go back in time, I would have told myself to stop wasting my money on solution after solution and just gotten these instead. We are on our 3rd box.
So now this one is for problem aware and then transitions into like a solution aware audience, right? People that already know their solutions for this, but they've tried them all and they just want to finally get something that actually works.
Bottle of these Dog is Human multivitamins, and his yeasty ear infections have completely cleared up and not come back. He's not scratching anymore, and his coat is visibly softer and fuller. And these aren't just masking his symptoms either. These combat yeast from the inside out, targeting things like gut health, nutrient deficiencies, and a weak immune system. I am so grateful for these. We truly cannot live without them now.
Ooh, that's such a genius CTA. So yeah, these ads, they blend so well. It's no surprise to me these are their top ads, right? Because these 2 ads are so good. They're storytelling formats. They're targeting problem-aware and solution-aware audiences, which are like the lowest hanging fruit. They're very profitable, but they do it in a format that is very native as well. It looks like a TikTok. But then these 2 are more on the direct, like strong direct response statics that still look super clean and branded. But, these are like straight up direct response ads. Itchy paws finally going away, before and afters, and then boom, like a crazy deal right on there. But it's done so well. It's like, I just love this brand. It was put on my radar actually by one of our accelerator members. That's what's so crazy. I've done literally thousands of these videos, like dissecting these brands, trying to learn more and more and more. And I still had never heard of this brand. So every day I'm discovering new brands that are scaling like crazy. Now, here's a really cool thing. These guys have found a very cool format that works for them. So this allows them to go viral like all the time on TikTok, just making dog recipes. And then they just have, the vitamin right there. Then they use it as well. That's so genius. Just figuring out new ways to, you know, fun ways even to display their products and to go viral. So these are most likely also being ran as ads, Spark ads. So that's another really genius thing you can do is you can post organically to TikTok, try to go viral, but then also use paid ad spend behind some of these posts. I actually have a up to $6,000 TikTok credit. I leave it in all my descriptions because you can get up to $6,000 of free credits. I'm using this myself. I have $5,000 of free credits right now that I'm planning to use for our latest project. And I think you guys should do it as well if it makes sense for you. But just remember, the audience on TikTok is different than the audience on Meta. Obviously, there's all sorts of age ranges and audiences on both. But you do got to remember, like, the audience here is a little bit different. So for whatever product that you're doing, the marketing on here is going to be a little bit different than on Meta, but not super different. Okay. So, don't be scared of TikTok. Use it to your advantage. These guys, as you see, they're just pumping out this viral format, just doing recipe after recipe after recipe because it clearly works, and they're just not reinventing the wheel. It's working for them very well. And I think this is a good lesson. Finding a viral format for your product. These are faceless formats, by the way. Like they don't show the owner. It's just about the pet. So this is actually super brilliant. It inspires me to go out there and try to find a similar sort of idea where like I can find a format that just works really well, that I can do over and over and over again in different ways and continuously drive more awareness and traffic. One last thing is, who is their customer avatar, right? So I do this with Smart Reply. Smart Reply is an incredible tool. So one of my goals for this, right, to get it to $1 million a month, is also to keep it as lean as humanly possible. Our agency is already extremely lean, and that's what I'm most excited about in e-com right now. It's just how lean you can actually keep your team and how big you can build it. So there's brands like Grunes that inspire me a lot. They sold for $1.2 billion in 3 years, which is incredible speed. But I think also now, like, you're going to see really small teams like my team getting to pretty insane levels. And Smart Reply helps you do that because it covers all of your customer service, literally on TikTok Shop, on email, even on your website chatbot. So, for example, there's a website chatbot here that you can talk to as well. You can add that to your store. You can get it on all your DMs, all your comments, and you can train it. You can feed it videos so that it can send videos to customers. It's literally insane. But this is just a free tool on here that allows you to basically analyze all the comments for any brand and then get ideas for their customer avatar. And as you see, there's sub avatars here as well. This is actually a really interesting one. The health-focused senior caregiver. So owners of older dogs concerned about longevity and mobility. And then there's the cheese-loving treat enthusiasts, the natural ingredient seekers, the engaged social food sharers, owners who enjoy the social and fun aspect of sharing treats with their dogs. This is actually a really powerful one that they're going really hard on when it comes to TikTok, right? We literally just saw it on TikTok and the DIY treat makers. They're going very hard at these two sub avatars and it's working really well. But as you see, that the primary avatar on Meta though is the conscientious dog mom. It's not the same avatar. So on here, it's the conscientious dog mom, as you see by their top videos, right? It's two storytelling formats that are targeting that exact avatar. But then on TikTok, that's exactly what I was saying. It's a totally different avatar. It's the DIY dog treat makers, the engaged social food sharers. That's who they're going a bit harder on. But when you combine these things, right, when you can use TikTok in this way and realize that it's a different avatar, and then use Meta in a different way for stronger LTV, right, lifetime value of your customer, then you can like take over a massive market. And obviously I'm speaking from just the experience that I have with clients that we've worked with, and also all the studying that I've done. I have like 3 PhDs in ecom at this point from all the videos that I've made. But now also you're going to be seeing all this play out with our brand as we continue to build it, as we get to that million a month mark and beyond. I mean, honestly, that sounds big, but it's really not. We've done a $1 million month before with drop shipping stores internally. So now that we have this custom brand, like, we actually took the time to develop this formula and just, we're going really hard with it. You're going to see some pretty crazy stuff. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll leave some of these links in the description for you to get started with your store, for you to get more resources. But, that's pretty much it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.